part 2 of beating normal mode in this map. You didn't watch my video part 2 and you didn't know. And this is your at grade 70. And I will show off this name is Stability Tower Defense. This game about defending that thing or any map has his own enemy. It is the back of the screen. And I can update now. Can switch on the map. Oh my god, it's really fast. No! Let's go! Almost so close! Sulit man. Alright. Nandito na tayo na. And almost the end of the way. Attacking unit almost map level. Only one guard to toilet map. We still have more credits. 700 guys. DPS. Why this guy is the so strong? His damage is 1,000. You can almost watch out. Then this one game that's where I lose to fast pieces. And this is the last level. And that is the last level. My science not. I forgot to update him there. And that. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for my channel. Thanks for watching. I will do the toothless dance or emote. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you to my next video. Bye.